Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com. We are on our way to the post office. We've got some boxes to pick up. Let's go. Alright guys, here's the deal. I received a text message from the post office saying that I had 3 boxes here that are ready to be picked up. So I am expecting several boxes from China. I don't know how many because I forgot to ask Art. So I know I have at least 3 here. So let's go inside and see what we have. I don't think I'm allowed to film in the post office, but if I can sneak something, I'll let you know. I thought I was hearing things.
Oh my gosh, you survived. Good.
These are very heavy.
Okay, I backed in.
I can assist if you would like. I put them in a cart at least. They are quite heavy.
Here, box 86. If they're in the cart, I can put them in my Forerunner. I'm backed up over here. If I can borrow the cart.
Yes, you can. You can. Take it right out.
No, you take it over there.
That'd be great.
Yes. Oh, jeez. Last time they weren't that heavy. Okay, thank you. These boxes gotta weigh about 50 pounds each. Things I do for ForeignMRE.com. Where is Art? He is at work today. You know, when I picked these up, the postman asked if I wanted any carryout, any help. I should have been thinking. Anytime you are asked if you want carry-out help from the post office, you should say yes, because I had no idea that these boxes would be this large or this heavy. But we got them! We got them in! Now, we have to open them up and see what's inside. We got this box here from Russia yesterday evening. And because we received the email about these packages coming in, we decided to wait to open this box and open these boxes here today. Let's see what we've got. And this is our trusty QSP knife. This is on our Amazon store. There's a link below this video. I think I'm just cutting the box. Wow, Arenda did a good job packaging these. Let's see what we got here. We've got type 13s, all menus, 1 through 4. The package date for these rations is January 7th, 2019. As Art said once before, you cannot get these that fresh without making this at your house. So we have a ton of these. I don't know how many is in this box. Let's open the next box. These are more Chinese rations, type 13. Again, all menus. And I see something in here that's a little different. Our vendor sent us a couple of surprises here. And we've not had these before, so Art and I will take a peek at these later on tonight. And then, let's get this bad boy opened. We have more of the RPS rations right here. But unlike the last time we received these rations, some of the boxes are were a bit crumpled during shipment. And the vendor, despite him wrapping them in bubble wrap, a lot of the bubbles have been deflated, which means that the box was smashed and crushed. So hopefully there aren't too many boxes that are damaged. This is a mess. So between the packing peanuts and the bubble wrap, let me turn off the camera and bring you guys back when I've got all these out. Okay guys, I'm up to my eyeballs in rations here. As you can see, I took all of the rations out, the RPS rations, because I thought I saw some damage. Thank goodness I didn't smell any damage, but I do have a box that got pretty banged up here on the corners. You can compare it. Square box, square corner, not so square corner. So this one concerns me, and Art and I will probably open this one up later to see if there's any damage in this ration. But thankfully, all the other ones came okay. And, you know, you have to remember these rations, especially these Russian rations, travel upwards of 10,000 or more miles just to get to us, and then we ship them out to you. So we do expect some damage, and that's no problem. We just like to make sure we minimize it as much as possible. I was about to sign off, but I forgot about another box that came with the other large China boxes, and it's another box from China. So I have to move this stuff, grab that box, and we can see what's inside of that one as well. Okay, we have this box here. I forgot about it. It also came with these boxes here from China. So let's open it up and see what we have. Wow, did you guys take a peek here? This is a new product. We have never sold these before, and we saw them on sale. I think they were on sale on eBay or something like that, but it's very rare that we see these on sale. Our vendor asked us to try these. If you remember, Art and I did a video where we tasted several different types of Chinese Army compressed biscuits, and the flavor was so incredibly good. It tastes like a cookie. So we decided to get some. So we have a case of them. And here they are. Look at that. Don't ask me to translate, gun dog. I'm not going to do any translating here. Once we get these all translated, we will put these on the website. And anybody who purchases these, you will not be disappointed. These come 48 to a case, and we have this one case, but I'm not sure how many aren't ordered. If you order just one case, so we can try them out, or two. But I know I just got another text message from the post office saying that I've got more shipments coming in from China. So we shall see. And that is another sneak peek of behind the scenes with Nina. Now let's go get some lunch. Phew, guys, what a morning. We went to the post office. We got those heavy, ginormous boxes. We even had a Russian box here that was from last night that Art didn't open. He saved it for me. We stopped on the way home from the post office, and we've got lunch. So what is lunch, you might ask? We have two of the most delicious brisket tacos that you will ever find. Where did I get these, you might ask? I got these from a place in Texas, from a place in Tomball called Dumb Tacos. They are an institution here, and let me give you a better look. Yeah, that's rice, beans, and brisket with a little bit of cilantro. So, I earned these tacos today, and I am going to enjoy them. Behind the scenes with Nina, yeah. Okay. I can't play with you guys anymore. Cue the outro.